Here at World Overcomers, our vision is to love God, embrace others, and touch destiny.
So a little bit about World Overcomers Church. We moved back here back in 2001. We're a 3,800 seat auditorium. We wanted to be in the heart of this community. We love to do outreach and things of that sort. And so the way that we do that is through the sound ministry. The main thing that we want to provide for our listeners is to be able to hear. If they can't hear clearly, then people don't leave with a clear understanding.
The new IV6 system was brought in because the old system just wasn't cutting it anymore. The IV6, of course, is Community's new line array series. They're designed exclusively for installs. I installed my first IV6 line array in this facility. I'm also using the IV6 subs. They're actually under the stage. For those under balcony field locations, I'm using the IC series.
We installed some speakers in our children's ministry, and their area is rocking. The lows are very low, the highs and mids are very crisp and clear.
Just the clarity and the evenness of volume. No matter where you are in the room, it doesn't get loud, it doesn't get softer, it's just consistent volume and consistency among the entire frequency range.
Ever since we had the opportunity to get them installed, I feel like it's really changed our worship service and took it to a whole nother level.
The reaction that we get from our senior members, I'm always asking, hey, can you hear? Is it clear? Is it too loud? They give me that thumbs up, everything is spot on.
Especially with the IV6 series that we're using now, I mean, it's just, I don't care what the acoustic problem is in the room, those speakers sound good.
We were able to meet the sound needs with Community Pro with no hesitation, no problem. They had all the products that we needed. That speaks well of Community Pro because we don't like to mix and match, but when you have a full-on system that's dependable and reliable, it just means the world to all of our sound engineers.